Welcome to the technical short tour dedicated to the new Roboze ONE 3D printer. We are happy to reveal our new innovation in FFF 3D printing technology. Our new Roboze ONE, dedicated to engineers and planners, results from several years of experience in Made in Italy mechanics and from the constant collaboration with the main players driving additive manufacturing in the world. This new solution offers real 25-micron tolerances, 10 engineered-grade materials, silence and durability, easy use and user-friendly maintenance. 70% of Roboze machines are produced on-site. All new Roboze ONE components present solid and durable elements. The chassis made of electro-galvanized steel planned to damp the machine's vibrations. The internal components made in 6082 anti-corrodal steel, AISI 303 steel, C50 steel ground tempered and chromed bars render Roboze machines a reliable and valuable partner with high reusability rate, speeding up return on investment. Roboze ONE Real 25 microns result from the empowerment of the Ballast System, planned and patented by the group in combination with an upgraded electronics. The Ballast System is unique in the world because the axis movement of the other 3D printing solutions is entrusted to the belts. By removing belts and introducing a mechanic movement of the X and Y axis entrusted to the harnessed steel helical racks directly in contact with pinions, Roboze has finally introduced real work accuracies. What are the advantages of this technology? Real tolerances, user-friendly maintenance, durability of the components. The previous version of Roboze ONE drove FFF 3D printing technology to 50 microns. By overcoming itself, today Roboze is introducing a new standard of accuracy up to 25 microns. The new electrical components inserted in the new Roboze ONE render the machine more accurate and silent, making it the best solution for every environment. 24V stepper motors with division corner up to 128 steps. New microcontroller based on an ARM Cortex at 32-bit and new THB6128 drivers which increase the operating voltage and the operating current. Higher control and fluidity on rapid movements. Moreover, 24V stepper motors at 128 steps render the extruder body movement extremely smooth, reducing the typical noise of FFF printers. New Roboze ONE includes a new extruder, re-engineered and totally made of stainless steel. This feature extends the extruder service life up to twofold, improving the performances and reducing wear in comparison to the previous brass model. The new extruder, which is able to reach up to 300 degrees, extends the technopolymer's offer, passing from 4 to 10 materials. This new solution gives the chance to engineers and designers to select among several opportunities in functional rapid prototyping and end-use parts by introducing new materials to print parts, assuring UV rays resistance, high stability, durability, impact resistance at low temperatures, chemical and mechanical resistance. Among the others, Carbon PA, PC ABS, Nylon 6, ASA, ABS ESD and ABS HD offer the highest versatility and potential of Roboze materials. The touchscreen display offers better management and usability of the machine controls. Intuitive and appealing in the new graphic interface, the interaction between user and machine becomes user-friendly with the aesthetic touch Roboze branded. We give you the chance to print your own part by using the SD card slot placed in the front zone at eye level or by directly connecting your computer with a USB port. The build plate becomes removable to simplify the removal of the printed parts. The plate sticks to the heated plate by magnets at high temperature. To remove or to replace the build plate, you only need to slightly push upward. Roboze R&D team added a block system to make final user safer. This system, aided by an independent sensor, blocks the machine in case of emergency. Occupational safety and health are too important to be left out. Roboze takes origin from the idea to plan and realize additive manufacturing solutions, aimed to digitalize the industrial productive processes worldwide. Roboze ONE, the most accurate FFF 3D printer, now with 10 materials capability. Roboze, industrial, additive manufacturing.